Alright, so let's be real. Most of the time when we talk about new iPhones, it's all about the cameras, the processors, or some crazy new display tech. But this year, the cases are stealing some of the spotlight. Yeah, cases. Here's the deal. Apple is rolling out a new line of liquid silicone cases for the iPhone 17, and honestly, they look way better than I expected. The color lineup alone is pretty wild. You've got your safe choices: midnight black, dark blue, gray blue, for the people who like to keep it classy. Then you've got the fun ones: grass green, pale orange, deep orange, and my personal favorite, fog purple. That one feels soft, stylish, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if it ends up everywhere on Instagram. And the best part? These cases aren't locked to one model. Whether you're going for the Pro, the regular, or the brand new iPhone 17 Air, that's Apple's replacement for the Plus. You'll get the same case options across the board. No gatekeeping here. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Apparently, Apple tested a bunch of other colors, but cut them at the last minute. Names like Lake Green and something super random called Quran Bowler. I don't even know what that's supposed to look like, but it sounds cool. My guess? Apple's saving those for later drops. You know how they love to surprise us mid-year with seasonal colors just to get everyone buying another case. But let's talk about this whole liquid glass design thing. It keeps popping up in the leaks. Supposedly, it's connected to the design language of the iPhone 17 Pro. What does it actually mean? Nobody knows yet. Maybe the cases will have that glossy, light-shifting finish. Maybe it's a subtle texture you only notice when you hold it. Honestly, could it just be marketing hype? Yeah, probably. But hey, if it looks good and feels premium, I'm not complaining. And if silicone's not your thing, don't worry. Apple's also working on tech-woven cases. Basically, it's their second attempt at fabric cases after last year's fine-woven disaster. Those things frayed and scratched like crazy. If Apple's fixed it this time, tech-woven could be a solid option. And one last twist. There's talk of a retro iPhone 4-inspired case just for the iPhone 17 Air. That classic flat design making a comeback? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.